రెండు అంటించండి.
అన్ని అంటించండి. Good morning and good afternoon, one and all. So, on this day of 2021, that is June 27th, 2021, I just wanted to contribute for the welfare of the society, sharing my true experiences in the life and how one should improve and what are the important factors one should consider in their life and how practically I have come up in my life in these 45 years. So as I wanted to share with all the people who are going to see these videos in this YouTube channel. So it's a weekly, every Sunday my activity will be streaming in YouTube channel in 5 different languages. So I'll be trying to express my journey of my life in the name of role play and role model in our life. That is the YouTube channel name also, and all of you can subscribe it to follow me every week. Especially it will be on Sundays, maybe in the morning time. Every week it will be streaming. So what is this role play and role model? What is my intention of starting this channel, and how long this program is going to be continued? Definitely it will be a long-term event which has started on this auspicious day today, and it will be as I already told, it is going to be streamed in every week on Sundays. And so why it is a long-term process? It's a long-term channel, long-term activity, because in our life we play a different role from our, if you wanted to, for your easy understanding, to order it in descending or in ascending order. So I can say that when we come out of our mother, we all will be a child. We play a role of child. Then once we go to the school, we play the role of student. When we become the professional, then we may play a role of a teacher or role of a respective professional. So once we get married, then we play a role of husband or role of a wife. Once we become a father, then we play the role of a father or role of a mother. Then when we become a once we become older, then we play a role of a grandfather or grandmother. And so this is how we play different roles in our life. At each and every role that we are going to play, and we'll take out of our experience with the many people who are already played that roles as a model in our life, so that is what is role model. We take certain people who played that role successfully, we consider them as a role model. When we are a child, definitely we will be having our role model. When we are a student, we will definitely have a role model. So at every stage of life, one will definitely we will be following some people in our life as a role model. So in my life, at different stages of my life, who are all the people I've played and what are the role that I have played, whomever I have taken as a role model. That is what is this channel will be continuing, which may be useful, how one should be the how one should play an appropriate role, and who will be the appropriate role model, whom we should follow as a role model. That is what is the main intention of this particular channel, and which I wanted to share with all the people. Maybe it's my innovative attempt, so that it may be useful for the community. The way we always say that we should see our way back. We should turn once in a life and see the way that we have come up. So with that intention, this channel has been started today, and hope the God will give me the source of energy and the wisdom to share the newer ideas, beneficiary ideas to the public, to the society, and so that my actual intention of starting this channel will be fulfilled. So hope so, dear friends. We will meet in next Sunday. Today we have just inaugurated the channel. I given the overview of this channel, and with my first activity, I'll start in next week, next Sunday. Till then, your Varadarajalu. See you in next week. Thank you.